Hi, I'm Christina with Tina Girl Travels, and today we're going to have an in-depth look at the Level 8 Freeloop Carry-On in the very popular color of sage green. So this retro 20-inch carry-on also currently comes in dark slate gray, coconut white, and light blue. Let's have a look. So I ordered it online. It came shipped to my door very quickly. It's very well packaged and protected, including a cover that velcros to the bottom, keeping the bag looking great. It also came shrink wrapped with this peel off film protecting the finish. Attached to the handle is this very handy instruction manual, which gives you product information, instructions on how to set your own combination, warranty information, and safety precautions. This case reminds me so much of the 1940s suitcase that my mother-in-law always traveled with, and maybe that's why I love this design so much. So we'll start with the zipperless access. This has an aluminum frame with a zipperless lock for stress-free security. Your belongings will be secure, and if TSA needs to have a look, no problem. This is a TSA approved lock. They can get into your bag without damaging it, and at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to change the combination. So that leads us to the cushioned leather handle on the side. This is a little bit of luxury with very smooth rotation and hand sewn threads. It looks so classy and very classic. I totally love it. The handle at the top is an adjustable 4-stage handle. It's perfect if you're tall or short. It will adjust to the perfect height for you. So you can expect smooth travel with the silent 360 spinner wheels, and there are 8 of them, which offers amazing support and stability, whether you're dragging the bag behind you or you're walking with the bag beside you. The body of this bag is scratch-resistant polycarbonate, which is virtually unbreakable plastic, making it stylish and resilient. The corners are protected with durable metal corner guards. So let's go ahead and have a look inside. To open the case, you simply turn the lever and the latches pop open. No zippers to deal with. I love that. Wow, it's so nice inside. The interior is made of a soft polyester, and you can clean that easily by just wiping it down. There are 2 separate compartments. This is really beautiful. I love this compression strap with the Velcro that holds everything down and in place. This is interesting. I've never seen anything like this before. It's a separate mesh pocket that holds everything down, so it can sit on top of your stuff and hold it down, or it can be placed on the bottom and kept separate. On the other side, we have another mesh pocket, and there's some little surprises in there for us. Okay, let's look at this. Oh, a nice little luggage tag. I love that. And a mini wet storage pouch, perfect for your toothbrush, or I guess if you have an itsy bitsy wet bikini from a last dip in the pool before catching your flight, you could pop it in there. So this side opens using these little hooks. This is a great space. This bag is perfect for those long weekend getaways. Let's talk about the dimensions of this bag. This bag is 22.1 inches high, it's 15.2 inches wide, 9 inches deep, and weighs in at 8.8 pounds or 4 kilograms. I'm actually super impressed with this 20-inch carry-on. The detailing is fantastic, and the quality really shows in all those details, making this a premium carry-on that you'll enjoy traveling with for many, many years. If you're loving this case, be sure to check out the links I've added below in the description, and be sure to use my code TinaGirlTravels10 to enjoy a 10% discount on the Level 8 website. All right, let me show you how to customize the code on the lock. The lock will come preset at 000. You can leave it at that number. No one will ever know, or you can change it to something else. So all you need is something pointy like a pen. Make sure the lock is set to the number that opens the lock. In this case, it's still 000, and we're going to look for the little square button. You're going to press that in with the pen, and you're going to change the code. Once you've decided on a number, go ahead and turn the lever as if you're going to open the case, and that sets the code. That little button pops up again. I'll show you that again. Lock the bag, press the button, change the code, turn the lever, and there you go. It's as easy as that. Well, I hope you enjoyed my in-depth video of the Level 8 Freeloop Carry-On in this beautiful sage green color. I'm so excited to use this bag on my next trip. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell to see more of my upcoming videos. Be sure to check out those links below in the description and use that code TinaGirlTravels10 for your special discount. Thanks so much for watching. Tina Girl Travels. I'll see you again soon.